Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. So, my friends, in this time, there is the urgent and warning video for all XRP Ripple coin holders. Absolutely. First of all, I want to congratulate all XRP Ripple coin holders. But now, again, the situation is going wrong, my friends. But don't worry about that, my friends. You know what? At this time, a lot of people message me on Instagram and Telegram that the price of the XRP is again start falling down. So what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? Don't lose hope and don't worry about this changes, my friends. The changes will again become positive. You know what, my friends? Just look here. At this time, in a previous time, the XRP price falls down, and after falls, the XRP price is again jump. So same like that. Now again the price falling down, and after some passage of time, after 1 day, 2 days falls, the price of the XRP will become again positive, and you will get profit, my friends. So don't worry. Why are you worrying about that, my friends? Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Just hold it, my friends. If you hold XRP, so don't worry and wait for a huge pump of the XRP. You know what, my friends? At the last of month, there is a higher possibilities that the price start jumping. You can see here in a previous time after 20 July, the XRP taken a huge pump. That is the last 1 week price chart of the XRP Ripple coin. You can see here a massive gains occurred by XRP after 20 July, but on today 23-24 July the price is again start falling down, and after some passage of time the price will again explode. Don't worry about this, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please tell me your opinion in a comment box. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP Ripple coin? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.